Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Anza espresso machine that comes to us with a broken power switch, this unit, and even with if you look at that, you see how that was like milk. And also I got the cable, as I don't know if I can show it in here. So I just replaced that power switch unit and the cable, and I clean up the machine. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. Here you can see the pressure too. The beautiful shot coming from this Anza. It's with crema, 3 layers of coffee. So that's perfect. Let me test the hot water. That works great. The steamer, that needs a little bit time. And during that, I'm gonna have that clean it up. Let me try. There is some water in the system. Yeah, the machine functioning perfect, and I'd like to show it from the back how it's look like now. So yeah, everything is working perfect. Thank you for watching.